Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So I lost a bet with Crystal, so she challenged me to come up with a recipe with chicken by myself. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm calling this recipe chicken taco salad. So I'm starting with my black beans and rice because this is the part that's going to take the longest to cook. And I have a pot of water boiling here. It's about 3 1/4 cups, and I'm going to add in my beans and rice. Alright, so I'm going according to package directions. So it said to stir while boiling for 1 minute, then cover and reduce it to a simmer, and then we're going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so next I'm going to be cooking my chicken. I have some ground chicken breast, and I have my skillet heating up, which I've sprayed with nonstick spray, and I'm going to be adding in my chicken. Alright, so my chicken is in, and I'm going to keep cooking it until it is no longer pink. Alright, so my chicken is fully cooked, and I am going to be adding in my taco seasoning mix along with 2/3 of a cup of water. Alright, so here is what it's looking like, and we're going to let it simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, now this is optional, but I recommend it. I'm going to be making a tortilla bowl similar to the one in this picture here. I have this perfect tortilla pan set. It was an I've seen on TV product from years ago, and you can find many variations of this on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, so we're going to need a tortilla. I like to find the biggest ones I can so I can get a decent sized bowl. These ones are about 9.5 inches, and we're going to put it into this perfect tortilla pan to make. Alright, so my tortilla is in the pan, and I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. Now, the instructions given are time frames based on the size of your tortilla and how crispy you want your bowl. So for mine, I'm going to do probably 7 to 10 minutes, 7 to 12 minutes, somewhere in there, and then we'll check on it. Alright, so we are ready to assemble. We're going to start by adding lettuce. I'm using romaine hearts today, but use whatever you prefer. Next, we're going to be adding some of our chicken. Followed by some of our beans and rice. Next, I have this Sargento off the block 4-cheese Mexican blend. Alright, a sprinkle of that, and we are ready to talk dressing. You can top this off however you like, maybe some sour cream, salsa, but today I'm going to show you how I like to do it with some ranch dressing and some mild taco sauce. Alright, a drizzle of ranch and a drizzle of taco sauce, and we are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys!